Hi students, today we will learn about computer language for class 6. Now let's begin with machine language. See, this is a first generation computer. This is a first generation computer. It is the language of first generation. It is the only language that the computer understands. Other than this language, nothing the computer understands. This language is the only language that the computer understands. It is expressed in binary forms. Binary forms means 0 and 1. Means the language consists only 0 and 1. Not A, B, and many more. We shall study about what do they mean. We do not study detail about them. Just a little knowledge is required that 0 means off state and 1 means on state. You can remember this by a daily life experience. When you see any switch, I don't know if you can see it nowadays or not, the off state is like a stick, that is 1, and when it is on state, the switch is, then it is like 0. This proves that 0 is on state and 1 means off state. This has an advantage of very high speed and very low memory utilization. Though it is very high speed, but it is learning this machine language is very time and tough, and it is non-practical too. It is difficult to write and debug this program, and this is machine dependent. Means this language will differ from machine to machine. So there are many fewer people specialized on this language, and so it is also called low level language. Low level language. Understood? You can remember this by remembering LLL. Okay? Now we shall study about assembly language, that is second generation. These languages use numeric codes and symbols. This is a wrong spelling. This is a wrong spelling. It will be, sorry, this will be codes. Uses numeric codes or symbols. In place of 0 and 1, for example, if the operation code for add is 0010 in binary language, it can be directly written as add in assembly language. Because assembly language uses symbolic codes, hence it is easy to work with assembly language than in binary language. Numeric codes are like English words. and symbols. But as we discussed earlier, machine language is the only language that the computer understands. So we need a translator program, or this can be also written as assembler. It is also called assembler. I know the writing is not good at all. Please try to understand. A program in an assembly language is called a source program, whereas a program in a object program or the object code means a machine language is the object program. Sorry, no, not the machine language. It is the machine language which is called object program. Okay. I hope you understand. Since it is machine dependent, thus it is quite time consuming, so it is referred as low level language. Now we shall study about high level language or third generation. Okay, so third generation involves means after the development of machine language and assembly language, many people started finding to a language that is easier for humans to understand. Means it should have the following characteristics, which is user friendly language and language that is missing. No, this will be not missing. Sorry. Language that is machine independent. This is not machine. It will be machine, which is machine independent. It is easier to learn, and a large number of people started using this program, so this came to be known as high level language or HLL. A high level language uses English words. Basic C, C++, Java, etc. are many very popular high level languages. High level language, as we just learned, that it also needs translator program, because machine language is the only language that the computer understands. Okay? Now we shall proceed. Now we shall study about fourth generation or 4G language. Fourth generation language are closer to human language than any other high level language. Okay, means it is the easiest form of language. Nowadays the computers and tablets we see around are for fourth generation only. So from the above definition, what we get, please record this part. We know that fourth generation has the following features. What features? Please say. Yes, highly user friendly and independent of any operating system. This is basic. Then okay, say very high speed of execution, designed to reduce level of programming effort. Yes. Then I need 4 points. Okay, you say minimum efforts from user to obtain any information. This is also correct. And next, designed to reduce the overall time it takes to develop software and the cost of software development in the fourth generation Yes, it is correct. Designed to reduce the overall time it takes to develop the software and the cost of software develop. In 4GL, the user has to specify only the required output and the format of the output without bothering about the steps required to obtain that. Yes, this is absolutely correct. I hope you understand fourth generation. Means fourth generation is very easier to understand. The what to say means you can use fourth generation very frequently. Yes. See again, Ken. In a software development, beta release refers to the product or a technology which is still in development, but it is released only for testing and evaluation purpose. Okay. Means if in a software development, if anything written beta release, it means it is still in development, it is developing, but still it is sent in the public for what the public wants. The development means the inventor developer wants from the public what to develop further in that program. Yes. Now see again, Kim. What to see now? Yes, Fortran was one of the earliest languages and was designed for scientists and engineers. COBOL was designed by business users. Please do not ignore her, because what she says always is beneficial for you. It can also come in exams. So please do not ignore her. Fortran is the earliest language. It is very good information. Fortran is the earliest language. It is only used by scientists and engineers, not nowadays. On earlier, only scientists and engineers use this. And COBOL is also an early language. It is used by only business users. Okay, only business users. Second came. Okay. The first interactive computer game was Space War. Means the first computer game was Space War. I don't know you have played it or not, but I don't like computer games. Okay, now we shall proceed. Let's see what this queen tells. The term software was first used by John W. Turkey in 1957. Means he didn't started software. He didn't started software. He only term software. He used the term software for the first time. Means he invented the word for software. Okay. Let's go again, Kim. Let's see what she says. Locator Identifier Separation Protocol (LISP) was the first computer language for writing artificial intelligence programs. It is created by John M.C. Carthy. This MC stands for Mac. John McCarthy. He invented means developed a computer language, means the first computer language, LISP. You did not need to learn about it much more. Only little much of this information is enough for you for class 6. Oh, again she wants to share something. Okay, let's see. Syntax are the rules for governing the information of statements in a programming language. Yeah, the syntax are some rules. Like if in English we speak, we need to follow some rules. That is called grammar. Grammar is as in English, it is a programming language. It is syntax. We will study about it later when we will discuss QB64 or QBasic. Okay. Oh, this girl again came. This girl comes when she wants to share some information. Okay, let's see what information did she share. Lady Ada Lovelace, a mathematician, is regarded as the first computer programmer. She was the daughter of famous English poet Lord Byron. Okay, I hope you understand this. And this is a picture of Lady Ada Lovelace. Okay. Let's see next. The fifth generation languages or 5GL consist of the visual tools to develop the program. It means it uses VR. It means we can see 3D. Everything in 3D we can see. It is very high level language. It has large computers and it provides artificial intelligence. Fifth generation language, it is commonly that Chat GPT and Gemini AI. You have often used it, right? Now we shall proceed because we don't need to learn much more about fifth generation.
Now let's see a quick features of these 5 languages. Now let's see the first feature of machine language. It is first generation. It uses binary codes to depict operation and data machine dependent only the only language understood by the computer. It is also known as LLL or low level language. Uses assembly language features. Starting features. Use of numeric codes or symbols. Use instead of binary numbers. Okay, it makes a little develop. Means a computer language is like a human that